There's one single freaking eye. That's too big. Yeah, that's way too big. Here we go. That's what we need there. And we got two of them. Two small ones. I think I got like 5. See what Dunhams we got here. Pretty much the same thing they had. I don't see no new stuff really for 2022. Same thing they've had for months. Same thing. Don't see nothing new. There's me a left-handed rod though I need to get. Get me some line. I have a Joe fly here. It's the only thing I don't like about Dunhams, man, is ain't no Joe flies. I don't know why they won't carry them. What they're thinking. Jerry's flies. No Joe's flies, man. I'm gonna have to go to Walmart and get me a 5-pack, I guess. No jig heads. I got me some line and a cast master. Let's get out of here. This lake right here has had 2 loads of fish put in, and to my knowledge, there ain't been a whole lot caught unless they've been some boys coming in here and since it thawed out. I swear I come out here several times. They had the back road blocked, and this thing was froze. It was froze solid. If I'd have knew how solid this lake was, I'd have been out on that ice the whole time ice fishing. I just, the ice freaks me out a little bit. We're going to jump out right here and see if we can't catch us some fish right quick. There we go. That's a gold one. No, it ain't. Rainbow. I try to be on the down low, man. These guys will Huff Creek me. Yeah, that's a good looking rainbow right there on the old cast master. Good looking fish. Got a stringer here somewhere. That one's big enough to cook. Yeah, that one's big enough to cook. Guys, you see the way the wind's blowing. It's blowing down the lake hard, okay? Well, not hard, but it's rippling the water. You see that island right there? You see that slick spot behind it? I'm using eggs, garlic eggs. I'm trying to throw my power bait over there far enough where it's in behind that island somehow. There we go. Alright guys, I think I found some fish. Finally. This one right here is getting thumped, and it's out there behind on the back side of that island out there. I think it's creating a pocket for them. The whole time, it was a trout had that. I'm assuming that's a trout. He's tiny, I'll tell you that. Tiny. Where you going? Yeah, little rainbow. Swallowed it to his butthole. The way they're biting, I'm not gonna put him on the damn string. You know, the way they're biting. And all the trout look the same. There he is. One more look at him. He's gone. He'll make it. He's out of here. There's one on that float right there. Yeah, there's one picked that up. Yeah. Yeah, he's gone. There we go. That's a bluegill. That's a freaking bluegill, man. Old brute gill. Oh, it's a crappie. Hey, uh-oh. Uh-oh. Little old winter crappie. Hey, I'm happy with that. I'm just as happy with that as I am anything. Caught him up here and around the edge of this pine tree right here. That'll work, guys. That'll work. See you, little buddy. Where you going? Out of here. All right, guys. Time to call an audible. Let's fish these banks and all this timber up through here for a little bit and see what happens. I just made a cast in this brush right here against this bank with this cast master. Come right out of this brush pile right here. I mean, 5 foot off this bank in this timber. That's where that trout was. He's got me wrapped around that damn tree right there. Pretty little fish. Thing about these plugs, they can't swallow the hook like that. You know, I don't think I've had but just a few fish swallow the lures, you know. But that dough bait, now they'll slap swallow them, man. With my hands. They all look the same to me. All of them look the same everywhere I've been fishing. Gone, he'll make it. Damn stringer back. I just dropped it in the damn water. Somebody's gonna have to look right at it. There it is. Right there. Look here. See there? I say somebody would have had to look right at it, man. I found it. Oh, shit, Alan, you're killing me. Ah, good deal. If old lady hadn't still been at work, I'd have hardly. Oh, I swear.